Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. As you can see, I'm not in my normal studio. My wife and I are celebrating our 16th year and wedding anniversary, all right? So let's get right into it. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I just wanted to briefly stop in on this Sunday and just do a recap and then some inspiration at the beginning. I'm titling this video, Are You Crazy? Right? Are you crazy? So we know everything that went on this past week. We know that PPI came out, the Producers Price Index number came out. It measures inflation for producers. And it's a peek into CPI, which is Consumer Price Index. It's a peek into, but not necessarily exactly what's going to happen. Meaning PPI was high. The Producers Price Index was high, but it doesn't 100% guarantee that the Consumer Price Index is high. And so we have to wait until Tuesday to find out. Myself, because of this, I am not just in any just crazy trades right now. I'm just chilling. Sometimes investing is just sitting still. I know we feel like we have to be putting money in at all times, but that's not necessarily true. Sometimes being a good investor, not trader, investor, is just sitting still. Now, this has no effect on our dollar cost averaging. As a matter of fact, I charge everyone that is trying to create generational wealth through investing to try dollar cost averaging for a minimum of 5 years, okay? Generational wealth takes a generation, and so we're not going to create it overnight. So that's my charge to you, all right? At the end of this video, I'm gonna leave 2 videos, one in this box and one in this box. I charge everyone to watch both of them. If you've seen one, make sure you watch the other, okay? So Tuesday, we have CPI, and then Wednesday, the FOMC meeting. So now we're going to find out if the Fed is going to indeed go up 50 basis points, which the market has priced in already, or 75 basis points. Now, here comes the warning. I believe that if the Fed continues to be hawkish and go up 75 basis points, I believe that we have zero chance of avoiding a harder recession because we're already in a recession. As a matter of fact, I personally believe he'll be forcing a hand into a early hard recession. No Christmas rally, no Santa Claus rally, forget about any of that. The Fed will be the Grinch in this story, unfortunately. But we are not just giving up hope. Someone commented, hey, Larry, you act like you're excited that for job loss. No, I was one of those ones that lost a job during a recession. I got the notice. I got the call. Hey, we have to lay you off. Times are hard. You're a great worker, blah, 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 blah. So I don't want people to lose their jobs. But I'm telling you, it's the Fed job right now to cause people to lose jobs. So now, if you're the one that's in risk of a job, do you sit by and wait? No. You take control. Doing nothing is never the answer. That's why I've been bringing up creating side hustles. I've been saying that all of this year, not in fear, but for opportunity, because some of these blue chip companies, and not just the blue chip companies, some of these companies that have capital and cash to last through the recession will be winners long term. So it has to be companies that you believe in. And I give you some of the things to look out for. That'll be in this video. And if you struggle with being broke all of the time, I want you to watch this video. So it's going to be 2 videos here. Now, for those of you that follow me, you know on Sundays I leave you something inspirational. I have a good friend. His name is Pastor Todd Matchett. He's in Glendale, Arizona. He came here to Chicago to preach at a friend's church of mine, Pastor Terry Sanders. And he brought a great message. Remember the old commercial, the old Apple commercial. Let's take the politics out of it. Let's take the Twitter battle out of it. Make sure you get good messages when there are great messages. And that message was, here's to the crazies. And there's a commercial that says, here's to the crazies. My question to you is, are you crazy? I am. I'm crazy enough to continue to invest in good companies when they get beat down the most, right? Institutions call your money dumb money, meaning you sell it when it goes down low. But you and I, we're not falling for the okie doke. We're going to buy these companies when they get beat down hard. The Apples, the Googles, the Microsofts, and even the Metas. Though Meta will fall longer. Even Tesla, though Tesla will fall lower. All of these companies will fall lower if you ask me. And that's when we're going to really, not just dollar cost average, that's when we're going to start to buy. So my question to you is, are you crazy? But this is a good crazy. Are you crazy enough to be on this journey for a minimum of 5 years, believing that you're building generational wealth? Remember, it takes a generation, okay? And so here's to the crazies. Here's to you that won't tap out. Put in the comments, I won't tap out if you're on this journey. And put in the comments, I won't tap out if you're creating side hustles like a lot of you are doing. Put in the comments, I won't tap out if you're pulling back on your spending. 98% of the CEOs out there are pulling back on their spending. 98 pulling back on their spending because they know, and they're already doing layoffs so they can operate leaner, because they know that the harder recession is right around the corner. I believe it'll be in the first 6 months of 2023. So here's my closing statement. Are you crazy? And if you are, just like that commercial, here's to the crazies. Hey, you guys, check out the links below. Get the free stuff from Moo. Get the 10 free stocks for just depositing $100. You want $2,000 worth of free stocks? Deposit $1,000. And click those links below and make sure you watch these 2 videos. Always in closing, live, love, laugh, and learn.